came around 11:30 last night from our trip from Split. We had a boat ride and it was pretty tiring at the end of the day to drive for 3 hours, and the road was very dangerous because it was dark. There's a lot of curves and a lot of people with like headlights really strong. So that was a bit stressful, more than stressful I'd say, but we made it. And after we came back we had to park our car, and parking here is a nightmare. So we went around, I think around an hour at least, just to find a spot, and then we just crashed at home. But today is a new day, so we're going in the city center and visit everything we can. So that's that. Dubrovnik was part of the Byzantine Empire from the 9th century until the 12th, when Venice took over the city. Finished in the 13th century, the old town remains almost completely unchanged, which is incredibly impressive. The dazzling ancient city on Croatia's southern Adriatic coast is known for its turquoise waters and its perfect medieval city vibes. This old town is filled with history and art, and we loved every bit of it. The best part is, even if you get lost, you're bound to find a gem hidden within the walls. Like this opening towards the sea with a cafe and a jumping spot. I mean, it was so unexpected and so refreshing after walking all day in the heat. It was amazing. We got to the seaport in Dubrovnik, and it's so nice, and it's quiet, and because it's lunchtime everyone's at lunch, so we'll be looking for a place as well because we're getting quite hungry and it's extremely warm, so basically everything's melting. It's yeah. Every fountain we see we just go and splash ourselves, but it's good that we found some cold water as well, so that's nice. way and hidden back streets are so different from one another, so filled with personality. There's always something to look forward to. We decided to end this trip with a romantic dinner at sunset, and the views really didn't disappoint. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more adventures to come. Bye!